What's up, guys? I got a 2004 Honda Accord. If you have a Honda Accord from 2003 to 2007, your turn signal are giving you trouble. I have a flash here. There's two different ones. That's a part number and intermotor. And here's another flasher. That's the part number and an intermotor. So what's happening is the signals work and then they start tripping like brrr. Let me put that on. Let's try this on right now. You hear that? Okay, so they're acting. Sometimes they will work click normally, and then brrr, all of a sudden. And that's the issue I'm having. And it's a buzzer down here. That's where the relay is. The flasher, that's what we call it, a flasher. So let's turn this off. What we're gonna do is first, if you cannot pinpoint the flasher, what you want to do is, well, the key's in here, so we're not gonna move out the key. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove some of these covers here, and this is where your fuse box is. So that's something that you need to know. If you need to know fuses, you just pull on this guy, and this thing just simply comes right out. You pull it. So let's take out the key for now since it's buzzing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this screw. You're probably gonna have more than one screw, but we're gonna take this guy off. Let me go get a screwdriver. Let's take off this guy. There's gonna be a whole bunch of wiring. All we need to do is take off the bottom cover over here, then we should be able to see it. It's back down here, but this cover is not gonna come out until you pull this cover forward. So let's do this. It's that a chilly out here. It's 32 degrees, and my heat didn't kick in today for the shop. Anyways, this guy, after that you pull it. If you got another screw on this side, you remove it, but you're gonna have a couple of harnesses over here which needs to come off, and then you're gonna grab this guy and you're gonna yank this guy down. Same thing over here. If you want to use a screwdriver, you can use a screwdriver, and this thing comes down pretty easy. It sits over there. If you want to put it back, you need to put it right there, and on this side over here. And once we have this off, okay, there's so many wiring over here due to, okay, this is our flasher. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my light here, and I do want to see, this is how these people, these shops that do alarms, they do some crazy shit. Okay, and the alarm doesn't even work, so I have no heat. I had it only for my kid so he doesn't freeze, and he's sick as well. Okay, it's on a pinpoint. You see that? It's working now. It's working now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, it does have two little retainers on each side. You pull them open and you pull out the relay, the whole flasher thing, and I move around with it. It works. So I'm gonna go get a flathead screwdriver. So what I'm gonna do is hard to see, but all this wiring here, I'm gonna take this car back. I'm gonna tell those guys keep the money, but pull out everything. I wish I knew how to do alarms. Okay, it has little retainers on each side. I like to just push them to this one side, fold them a bit, and then we're gonna go at this flasher. So what's happening here is, one side let goes, the other side grabs. So I'm gonna push them a bit more. Oh, one broke, it's okay. Try to go easy on them. It's really cold over here today, and if you need to use the plier, needle nose, use that. This flasher is hard to get off. I changed many of these on Acras, MDXs, Accords. Yeah, there you go. Got this baby out. So it's a funny looking relay. That's all that it is. It's this little guy. It says OMRON. Part number on this. This is an EX model 2004. There's a whole bunch of numbers there. There's a number here, 02X3 Apple 2X 02X-ray 3 Apple 2. Okay, there's a whole bunch of them, but we're gonna match up the flasher that we need for this particular car. So let's see what's in this big box. Can't be that little box. It's got to be this big box. There you go. So the part number is RY727. That's the same part. Let's just see what's up in here, okay? Let's just see what's in this box. Okay, oh, it couldn't be this one, but okay, let's see what's different about it. This one has a couple of holes here. Okay, so the part number, this is this gray one here, and that's what that is. This one, let's see if there's any difference in the pins. 1, 2, I don't see no difference here. I do not see any difference here. I just don't understand why would we have two different ones that look exactly the same. Omron. Okay, I'm gonna find out from the parts guy. Okay, so since we got the Omron here, called up the parts guy. You see OMRON. We're using 731, which is this gray looking relay right here. So we're gonna put this over here, and let's go back in there. Let's throw this baby in there. So it only goes one way, so you cannot go wrong. Okay, so push it in the same way we took out, and simply take this guy. Make sure we got too many wiring here, and this guy goes right in. Push it really hard. That's all I could do here. And let's test this baby. Let's test this baby. There you go. Haha, that's it. So put everything back, guys. Make sure you put this connector in. Everything goes back in the way it's supposed to be. Make sure you put your little screw in. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll help you guys out on this one. Anyway, see you guys in the next one.